Hello dear students, today we are going to study another lesson of Social Studies of class 3. Our next lesson is lesson 10, Unity in Diversity. The name of our lesson is Unity in Diversity. We all know that our motherland is a big and beautiful country with different types of landforms such as hills, mountains, plateaus, plains, deserts, islands, etc. And these different types of landforms makes our country so beautiful. And in the 9th lesson of Social Studies, you have studied that India is extending from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. India extends from Jammu and Kashmir in the north to Kanyakumari in the south. And also you have studied that India is the 7th largest country and the 2nd most populated country in the world. Children, do you know our country is a land of variety and it is politically divided into states and union territories. India is politically divided into states and union territories, and the people of different states differ in their habits. The people of different states have different habits and lifestyles. They speak different languages, they eat different kinds of food, they follow different religion and celebrate different festivals. And even the climate differs from state to state or place to place. In spite of all these differences within the country, we are all united as Indians. This unique feature, this different feature of our country is called unity in diversity. Now I said that the climate of our country varies from place to place or state to state. Example, the Thar Desert or the Great Indian Desert lies in Rajasthan, and the climate of this region is very hot. At the same time, Jammu and Kashmir and the Himachal Pradesh are having cold climate. Another example, Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu, and Chennai is very hot in summer season. At the same time, another place, Ooty, it is a famous hill station in the same state, Tamil Nadu. The climate of this place is cold. Then, there is a vast variation in the climate in our country from place to place or state to state. Next, let's see the factors that affect the climate of a place. The factors that affect the climate of a place is the distance from the sea and the height above the sea level. Then, for an example, places such as Calicut, Kollam, Kochi, Alapi lie near to the sea, and the climate of these places are moderate or pleasant. That means not very hot or cold. At the same time, places such as Kattapana, Kumali, Vagaman, Munnar are having cold climate because they lie far away from the sea level and also higher than the level of the sea. So, the climate of this region is cold. So, the distance from the sea and the height above the sea level are also influence the climate of a place. These variations in the climatic conditions are reflected in the life and custom of the people of India. Then let's have a look on to the different lifestyles or habits of the people of India. Food. We know that India has various types of landforms and climate. Our country is blessed with different types of landforms, and also the climate varies from place to place or state to state. So, the crops produced in different parts of country differ. Example, in hilly regions, crops such as tea, cardamom are widely cultivated, and in flat areas or plain areas are having wheat, rice, pulses are grown very well in the flat areas or plain areas. So, because of the various types of landforms and climate, the crops produced in different parts of country are different. Now I said the crops produced in different parts of the country different. So the food habits of the people also different from place to place or state to state. Next, let's see the food that we eat. Rice is the staple food of the people of India. Rice is the staple means main. Rice is the main food of the people of India. But the people of North India eat more of wheat products such as puris and chapatis. So the main food of the people of North India is wheat. At the same time, the people of South India eat more rice products such as idli and dosha. So the people of South India, their main food is rice. Then some people eat egg, meat and fish. They are called non-vegetarians. People who eat meat, eggs and fish are called non-vegetarians. At the same time, some people do not eat meat, eggs and fish. They are called vegetarians. People who eat food prepared from vegetables are called vegetarians. There are two categories of people. They are non-vegetarians and vegetarians. Non-vegetarians eat meat, eggs and fish. At the same time, vegetarians eat food prepared from vegetables. Then we use different types of oil for cooking. Usually we use groundnut oil, mustard oil and sunflower oil for cooking food. And some people also use instead of oil, ghee. And we the people of Kerala mainly use coconut oil for cooking food. Indian food is very popular throughout the world because we use more special spices in our food. Why Indian food is well known all over the world? This is because we use special spices such as chilies, cardamom, clove, pepper and turmeric in our food. Next, let's study another topic, languages. The people in different part of our country speak different languages. The people of India speak different languages. Almost every state of our country has its own language. Then we know that Malayalam is the native language of Kerala. Then can you tell what is the native language of our neighboring state Tamil Nadu? Tamil. The people of Tamil Nadu speak Tamil. And the people of Andhra Pradesh speak Telugu. And the people of Karnataka speak Karnataka. Then try to find out other native languages of other states in India. And in the north of India, most of the people speak Hindi along with their native language. Do you know there are 22 major languages in India. How many major languages are there in India? 22. They are recognized or approved by the government of India. The 22 major languages are approved by the government of India. Then we all know that our official language is Hindi. Hindi is our official language and English is the associate official language. Which one is our associate official language? English. English is the associate official language and Hindi is the official language of India. Then there are different forms in the same language and the different forms of the same language are known as dialects. And we have about 1652 dialects there in India. We have about 1652 dialects are there in India. Then let's move on to our next topic, dress. Then diversity in landforms and climate also influence our mode of dressing. As we have different food habits, our mode of dressing also varies from place to place or state to state. The clothes people wear depend upon the climate that they live. So the climate in hilly regions are cold Therefore, the people of that area use more wool or woolen clothes. At the same time, people wear cotton clothes in plain areas because that keeps themselves cool in hot climate. The people, those who are living in hilly regions, they use woolen type clothes. At the same time, the people, those who are in plain areas, they use woolen cotton clothes for keep themselves cool in hot climate. Then let's discuss some important dress of Indian women in India. Then sari is the common dress of Indian women. Sari is the common dress of Indian women and they wore it in different styles. Then most of the girls and young women of our country prefer to wear churidar or pajama with kurta. Then next let us discuss some traditional dress of Indian women. The traditional dresses of Indian women are in Kashmir and Punjab, salwar and kameez. In Haryana, gagra kurta with odhni. Then lehenga choli in Gujarat and long skirt with blouse in Kerala. Once again, let's see the traditional dress of Indian women. They are salwar kameez in Kashmir and Punjab, gagra kurta with odhni in Haryana, lehenga choli in Gujarat and long skirt with blouse in Kerala. Besides this traditional dress, the girls wear some western dresses such as frocks, midis, skirts and blouses. Okay, then now we have discussed the some dresses of Indian women. Next, let us discuss some important dresses of Indian men. Men mostly wear trousers and shirt in India. In India, men wear trousers and shirt. Other important dresses are pajama kurta, dhoti kurta and lungi kurta. Some men wear a turban or a cap on their head. The people, those who are in Rajasthan and Punjab, men cover their head with a turban or a cap. Then Gandhi cap is popular in Gujarat and Maharashtra. Once again, men wear trousers and shirt widely in India, and other dresses of men are pajama kurta, dhoti kurta and lungi kurta. Some people, especially men in Rajasthan and Punjab, they cover their head with a cap or a turban. And Gandhi cap is popular in Gujarat and Maharashtra. Then in special occasions like weddings, festivals and parties, people wear special dresses. Our next topic is dance forms. There are various types of music and dance forms in India. We all enjoy all of them. Then in each state in India has its own tribal, folk and classical dances. Dances are usually performed during the harvest festivals and on happy occasions and religious festivals. Then next let's see some popular dance forms of our country. The most popular dance forms are Kathakali of Kerala, Bharatanatyam of Tamil Nadu, Kuchipudi of Andhra Pradesh, Odissi of Odisha, Kathak of Uttar Pradesh and Manipuri of Manipur. Once again, let's see the most popular dance forms of our country. They are Kathakali, Kerala, Bharatanatyam, Tamil Nadu, Kuchipudi, Andhra Pradesh, Odissi, Odisha, Kathak, Uttar Pradesh and Manipuri, Manipur. Then next let's move on. Now we have studied the different food habits, languages, dresses and dance forms of the people of India. Next, let's move on to our next topic, festivals. Festivals are great fun. They bring joy and happiness to everyone. We wear our best clothes and eat delicious sweets and meals on festival days. India celebrates a number of festivals. Some festivals are connected to religion while others are connected to seasons. Some festivals are connected to religion while others related to seasons. Diwali, Dasara, Holi, Christmas, Eid ul-Fitr and Guru Parv are some important festivals that celebrated by Indians. Then children, there are three main types of festivals in India. They are national festivals, religious festivals and harvest festivals. Which are the three major festivals of our country? They are national festivals, religious festivals and harvest festivals. In India, all festivals are celebrated with special prayers, sweets, meals, new clothes and exchange of gift and greetings. And they also share joy and happiness with each other. Next, let us discuss each festivals, national festivals, religious festivals and harvest festivals one by one in detail. The first one is national festivals. Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti are the three important national festivals of our country. Name the three important national festivals of India. They are Republic Day, Independence Day and Gandhi Jayanti. Then, what is the importance of August 15th? We, the people of India, every year celebrate Independence Day on August 15th. Why do we celebrate Independence Day on August 15th? Because India got freedom from British rule on 15th of August 1947. On 15th of August 1947, India got freedom from British rule. So, every year we, the people of India, celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. On that day, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort. Already you have studied that Red Fort is an important historical monument which was built by Emperor Shah Jahan. And on 15th August, the Prime Minister of India hoists the national flag at Red Fort. And the Chief Ministers of each state hoist the national flag in their state capitals. On August 15th, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort and the Chief Ministers of each state hoist the national flag at their state capitals. Then, the next important national festival is Republic Day. India became a sovereign democratic republic on 26 January 1950. The word sovereign means independent. India became an independent democratic republic on 26 January 1950. What is the speciality of democratic republic? In a democratic country, people elect their representatives. In a democratic country, people can elect their representatives. And India became a sovereign, independent, democratic republic on 26 January 1950. So, we celebrate Republic Day on 26 January every year. On the Republic Day, the President of India hoists the national flag in New Delhi. And the governors of each state hoist the national flag in their respective state capitals. Now, I said that on August 15, the Prime Minister hoists the national flag at Red Fort and the Chief Ministers hoist the national flag at their state capitals. On Republic Day, the President of India hoists the national flag in Delhi and the governors of each state hoist the national flag in their state capitals. And there is a grand Republic Day parade it is held in Delhi. Then another important national festival is Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhiji is respected as the father of India, and his birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. On the 2nd of October, we remember Gandhiji who fought for the freedom of India. Gandhiji was fought for the freedom of India, and his birthday is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Gandhiji is respected as the father of nation, and his birthday is celebrated as a national festival. People of India celebrate a large number of religious festivals. There are a large number of religious festivals in India. Dasara and Diwali are the most important festivals of Hindus. Dasara and Diwali are the two important festivals of Hindus. Dasara marks the victory of good over evil. Dasara is the celebration of the victory of good over evil, and the celebrations and puja last for 10 days. The celebrations and puja for Dasara lasts for how many days? 10 days. The next important Hindu festival is Diwali. Diwali is a festival of lights. Diwali is a festival of lights. Children wear new dresses and burst crackers. Children wear new dresses and burst crackers. It is a joyous occasion for one and all. Diwali is a festival of lights, and it is a joyful occasion for everyone. Then the next important festival of our country is Holi. Holi is a festival of colors. Everyone, regardless of age, caste or religion, enjoy playing Holi by throwing colors one another. It is celebrated by Holi is celebrated by all age groups by throwing colors one on each other. Then Christmas. Christmas is celebrated all over the world on 25th December, and it is the birthday of Jesus Christ. 2000 years ago, Jesus was born in Bethlehem on 25th of December. On that day, everyone decorate Christmas trees and share cakes each other and give gifts. Then we also, besides these religious festivals, our country also have other festivals. Let us discuss about other festivals of India. Other important festivals celebrated in our country are Guru Parv, Pongal, Raksha Bandhan, Ganesh Chaturthi, Muharram, Easter and Onam. Once again, Guru Parv, Pongal, Raksha Bandhan, Ganesh Chaturthi, Muharram, Easter and Onam are other important religious festivals of our country. Then Guru Parv. Guru Parv or Guru Nanak Jayanti is the birthday of Guru Nanak. Guru Parv is the birthday of Guru Nanak. Then another important festival is Pongal. Pongal is the harvest festival of the people of Tamil Nadu. It is a popular festival. On that day, people decorate their houses with mangoes, banana leaves and colorful patterns. And it is celebrated in the month of January. Pongal is celebrated in the month of January, and it is a harvest festival of the people of Tamil Nadu. Then we all know that Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala, and it is celebrated with joy and enthusiasm all over the state by Malayalis, and it includes Puligali or tiger dances, Vallangali or boat races, and Pookalam or flower Rangoli, etc. Then another important Hindu festival is Raksha Bandhan. It is a Hindu festival which celebrates the relationship between brothers and sisters. On Raksha Bandhan day, sisters tie Rakhi on their brother's wrist asking for protection. For getting protection and happiness, on Raksha Bandhan day, sisters tie Rakhi on their brother's wrist. Then another important festival is Easter. It is a Christian festival, and Easter marks the resurrection of Jesus Christ after his crucifixion. Apart from these celebrations, these festivals, we celebrate Children's Day on 14th November. It is the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, and his birthday is celebrated as Children's Day because he was fond of children. So, the birthday of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is celebrated as Children's Day. Then another festival that we are celebrating is Teachers' Day, that is on 5th September. No matter which religion we belong to, we should encourage and participate in all festivals. Festivals are a means of spreading love and unity among all people. Festivals are a means of spreading love and happiness one another. Children, I hope you all understood this lesson well. Read the textbook several times and complete all the exercises and complete your note that is given in the textbook. Complete the notes. Hope if you are having any doubt regarding this lesson, contact me. Thank you.